This is Chip, my boyfriend. He's funny and loves EDM. And guess what? His birthday is right around the corner. Me, Jade, the girl who knows nothing about raves except for what I learned from Jersey Shore. Fight the beat. But here's the thing. I'm a fatty baddie on a weight loss journey, which means outfit struggles are real.
All my clothes don't really fit me. Like, I give frumpy.
Oh well. So I did what any great girlfriend would do. Ultra Miami? Too far. Tomorrowland? Too expensive. Toronto Rave? Question mark? Question mark? Perfect. Except there's a slight problem. We're basically grandparents. Bones weak. So I did what any responsible adult would do. I stocked up on go-go juice. Will we bring Tomorrowland to Toronto? Can we survive a rave as grandparents? Will I figure out an outfit? Stay tuned, because this isn't just a rave. It's a journey of surprises, struggles, and maybe, just maybe, actually fighting the beat.
It's Andrew's birthday next week. However, the birthday celebrations are starting early because part one of his birthday is today. And he mentioned back in July that one of his top favorite artists is coming to Toronto. So in July, I bought these tickets. And the concert is kind of music, and that's his favorite. Because fun fact, Chip used to produce music. I kid you not, what did this man not do? However, I still haven't told him it's today. But like when I was looking at the tickets today, it was like, I was like trying to figure out like how to get there and the route and blee blah blah. And then, why did it say doors open at 10 p.m.? 10 p.m. I was thinking like it's one of those like doors open at 6. Then we're out by like 11:30, 12 max. Doors open at 10 p.m. I think there's like 2 openers. I'm like, oh. I haven't been out like that in a minute. So this morning, I ran outside in the tundra of snow. And went to our LCBO, aka our liquor store. In Canada, you can only buy liquor at one place. If it's not beer, you can't buy anything else anywhere else. You only have to get it at this one-stop shop. So let me show you the haul. He's going to like his friend's housewarming because he just bought a condo in Toronto, and it's like a little like housewarming birthday thing. And then they're like, oh, bring your girlfriend. And I was like, ooh, I have this thing where I can't socialize with boys. I can't do it. I don't know. Me and boys just like never really could kumbaya. Like I've never had guy friends. I've always been with the girls. You're like, oh, bring your girlfriend. And I'm like, that's cute. And then I also got coconut tequila. I tried this the other day. Boom. I was like, what? I got whiskey. This is Andrew's man drink. He loves it. I got it for his birthday a few years back, but some wine. I've heard good things about this wine. It's a Pinot Grigio. Oh, I went to Dollarama because I needed tape to wrap his gifts. A Bounty Bar. Yeah, his age is showing. He loves Bounty Bar, girl. Another O. Henry. And then I saw this, Bueno White. And I said, ooh, never seen that before in my life. And this bottle is called Southern Comfort. I've never had it before, but Chip said like he likes it. So that is going to be our go-go juice for this event. I've never been to an Instance concert. Chippendales, I think he used to do festivals like back in high school. I always get spooked when I hear noises. Oh my god, get over it, girl. Yeah, but what the frick do you wear to these places? Because it's cold. Like, if it was summer, I was like, you know, like, baddie fit, like, you know, pretend like you're in Cancun and like just give body and half naked. However, it is freezing. And low-key, this venue is like in the middle of it's by the water. So like, the water with cold air is like double homicide, girl. Freezing. I have this shirt. It's like a cute little halter that I wore in Jamaica. It's so cute. But like, if I'm being honest, I'm not in the mood to like show arms and stuff like that. So I'm trying to find my safest option. But I put all my summer clothes in this bag, so I'm gonna have to dig through this. Oh my god. I made him a card. And I'm just gonna give him that card when he comes back. Because he was like, I'm gonna go get a haircut. And I said, okay, period. This is it. It says, oh yeah, it's your birthday yet. The cabs are here. Girl, it's not focusing. Like, if my card is struggling to focus, like, I don't know how the makeup gurus made their heart-shaped tape focus. But anyways, I wrote like a cute little note. I got Jersey Shore because we used to like love watching Jersey Shore together. And in Jersey Shore, they always say, let's fight the beat. Like, and then, and fist pumping. So I was like, we are finally going to be able to fight the beat together. But first, an outfit. Like, what do the rave baddies wear? But like, it's not a rave, it's a concert. So like, I'm not like... Whenever he leaves, he always texts me that he loves me and misses me. So cute, very romantic guy. But I asked him to take out some cash because I just realized Kochak. And I don't know if they take cards. So I was like, can you take out $15 from me? He's like, okay. I love a man that doesn't ask questions. Because I didn't even have to lie or come up with a lie or close and scene. To be honest, like, this probably would be my safest bet. It's like this cute little top. I wore it when I saw Bring Me the Horizon and Fall Out Boy. But it's like simple, but it's very boobalicious. Not mad about it. That one, potential. Don't know. Depends how insecure I'm feeling, if I'm being totally honest. We'll see. I'm so excited to see his reaction. He's my concert buddy. It's time for me to be his concert buddy. So I'm excited to like celebrate him and like see him in his element. Because I know he's going to have a time, girl. He's going to have a time. So I'm excited for him. Ooh, I got to delete storage from my phone so I can get clips there. I'm getting a little frustrated. Ooh, cute. I have like this pink bodysuit. It's very cute. Also very boobalicious. Like, but like I feel like it's bright. Like, you know what I mean? Like, I feel like that's the vibes. Another thing, spaghetti strap arms. I need to get over that. Work in progress. But I don't have a lot of pants, and I refused to buy pants for the longest time because obviously, you know, like I'm on my little weight loss fitness thingy baby, and because I know I'm not done yet, pants are so expensive that like if I'm gonna like, you know, if it's gonna be loose on me like in a few months, like why would I buy pants? But like, all my clothes don't really fit me. Like I give frumpy, and like I don't realize until like, oh, when I was at the Mariana's Trench concert with Sabrina, like all my clothes was like hanging off of me. Like I wore like a sweater and my pants. And then she was like, oh, like what size shirt do you wear so that she can get me a shirt for the concert? I said 4X. She's like, babe, I don't think you're a 4X. So like, and so like when I buy clothes, I usually buy clothes bigger because like I hate the feeling of buying something and being excited for it, and then when you put it on, it doesn't fit. Like, I'd rather just buy something and it be like big on. I need to change this bathroom lights to white lights. I was meaning to do it for like a minute now, but I was like, it's not that bad. POV, it's that bad. So yeah, if I do buy clothes, it's a little too big and it's a little frumpy, but just like me having anxieties of like it not fitting. But girl, what am I talking about? Happy about? Like, what am I talking about? Woot woot, can I get a hee hee? Y'all, I was like, wait, let me just like sit down and relax for like 2 seconds, and I decided to go on Instagram, follow my spam. And the venue just released the set times. So there's a main event called Virtual Riot, and that's who Angie wants to see. But there's 4 other DJs performing. And The first person starts at 10 p.m. and Virtual Riot, the headliner, doesn't come on until 1 a.m. Are you? What? And then the last guy finishes, oh, it says 2 a.m. to close. What time do they close? Oh my gosh, this is a long night. Oh my god, they're so annoying. Like, I googled the venue and I was like, why does the hours say open 24 hours? So when is close? Obviously, I'm gonna plan for us to stay from 10 to close because for the full experience, duh. But I'll double check with Chippendales if he wants to stay out that late, because honestly, we're like very much grandma and grandpa. But I think I'm gonna like push for him to stay the entire time because, like, I don't know. It's your birthday, like, one in a lifetime experience, like, you know what I mean? So we'll see. But damn, I'm so surprised because I really thought I was gonna be out by like 11:30 midnight max. Baddies Chippendale's back with his new haircut. Looking fly, looking fresh, looking fly, looking fresh. Come on, give us a pose. Oh, ate them up. I told Chippendales, you can open your eyes, baby, I don't have it. To sit in the couch, and he got his surprise position going on. Close your eyes.
Okay. They're cold.
Okay, good.
Oh, cold. Look at this cute quad.
Birthday vibes only. Hold on, intermission. The microwave doesn't stop beeping unless you open it.
Oh yeah, it's your birthday. Cute. Is that Jersey Shore?
Yeah.
Remember the joke you made back in July about how we can't go ultra but we can pretend? Are you catching on yet? Boom, surprise, we're going virtual Riot. Oh, okay. Wow, okay, cute. Wow, okay.
Are you surprised?
Yeah, I am.
Are you actually surprised? Or were you expecting it?
Oh, I wasn't expecting it. No.
Really?
When is it?
Tonight!
It's tonight?
Yeah!
What? Oh, shit. Okay.
Yeah.
So we're going right now?
Later.
What? Okay, I did not expect that. Damn, okay.
Yeah, we're going tonight, baby.
Holy moly. Alright. Cute.
Are you excited now?
Yeah, I had no clue. See, I thought we were gonna have like a... When I was reading, I thought we were gonna have a dance party here, like on the TV and
We
stuff.
can do that.
We can.
You thought it was a DIY dance party.
Yeah.
Aww. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yay!
Boom shakalaka.
Boom shakalaka.
I'm having fun.
Hi Patties, we're leaving soon. I just did like a cute little concealer, blush, eyebrow, lip gloss, and mascara. Ooh, bless you, honey. I decided on this shirt. It's like very, like I told you, boobalicious.
Very cute.
And then I had to come up with a hack with a shoelace for my jeans because my jeans are way too big. It gave diaper, like it was so bad. So we're gonna use a shoelace to make my pants tighter, and we're leaving soon, so we gotta hustle and drink a doo-dahs a little. We're about to leave.
What?
Put on our winter jackets, unfortunately.
It is chilly out.
I know.
But the Uber is so cheap.
The Uber is so cheap. It's only $8, so we're like, why are we gonna walk for 40 minutes when we can just Uber for $8? We're on our way.
Almost there.
Almost there.
Almost there.
Almost there.
Going to Uber.
Uber. Almost there. Almost there. it's freezing. Freezing. Water. Gotta go. Good morning. We woke up at 12:30.
Yeah.
We're making breakfast right now. We're doing like a belt, so bagel, lettuce, tomato, egg. That's Andrew's. I'm doing cream cheese on mine, garlic herb cream cheese, and pistachio iced coffee.
I got my strong coffee.
It's just plain strong black
Very
coffee.
strong. Because we had a blast and we survived.
Yep, those are the faces of two people who had a time and a half. Thank you so much for being a part of this new special memory. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you made it this far, drop this emoji in the comments. And cheers to many more fist pumps.